Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today, this one is more pointed towards the mill turn side of things. As you can see, we have an error message that has popped up on my screen. Happens pretty common what we see on the support desk, and a lot of people are confused on why they're getting this error. Well, what's going on? The reason why you're getting the error that the current tool path is not for 4-axis machine, check the number of axes in your machine ID file. This is not a posting issue. This is basically a mounting issue that is going on. So if you guys click OK on that and go to your tool mounting, so hit select and go to your mounting, you can see, I'll get rid of the rest of the tools in here. You can see my mounting is going in the wrong direction. If I switch this over to the correct direction in the Z+, hit OK out of there, save and calculate, and now G-code, and everything works perfect. So that's the way, when you guys get that error, how to change that error over and get your tool path and the G-code going in the correct direction. So just want to show you guys that for your KevCAM tip of the day, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys.